Hi there, I'm Peter Millard and this is 10-Minute Workshop, where 10 minutes in the workshop is never enough. In the workshop this week, I've got a bit of explaining to do and it's about Maker Central. It's coming up next. So yeah, look at the state of this place. It's more of a spray shop than a workshop. Swoops the other way. Look at it. Let me give you a quick drop that down. Painted stuff here, painted stuff all around. Everything's sort of sheeted up and dust proofed. There's a fine green mist of spray over absolutely everything. Filthy dirty. Ugh. Can't wait to actually finish this. However, let me talk to you about Maker Central. So Maker Central, the biggest, bestest, firstest British YouTuber maker event that Britain has ever seen, is coming up in a couple of weeks. You'll have seen a few people. I know my podcast co-host Andy McLennan and Gosforth Handyman have had little sort of video run-ups to the Maker Central. He's doing prize draws and giveaways and stuff. I haven't done anything like that for the simple reason that I'm not going to be able to attend, unfortunately. When the Maker Central organisers contacted me, I think it was November last year, they hadn't done, to see if I was going to attend, they hadn't done a great deal of promoting back then. And they asked me if I was going to go and said, yeah, sounds great, I'll get there if I can. And I had it set kind of in my mind. There are 2 bank holidays in May, public holidays, and I had it set in my mind that it was going to be the furthest one, and it's actually the first one. And I've got a family commitment that weekend. It's not something I want to get out of. It's not, not a question of, oh, I wish I could get out of it. I don't want to. So I'm not going to be able to attend Maker Central this year. It's really disappointing, and I apologise to anybody who's going expecting to be able to see me there. Obviously, the event will go on perfectly well without me, and if you attend, have a fantastic time. Say hi to everyone from me, and especially look out for my podcast co-host Andy McLennan, Gosforth Handyman. Give him a slap on the back and say hi from me if you see him. But I'm not going to be there. It's very disappointing, but it is what it is. I think the Maker Central event is going to be fantastic. I'm sure there'll be another one next year, and I promise you now that I'll be there whenever that happens. Maybe we'll even get a stand next year. We'll see if we can make that work. But that's it. I just wanted to let you know what was going on why I haven't done any kind of run-ups to the event. And it's because I'm not going to be there, unfortunately. If you go, have a great time. But I will see you after the event on my channel as normal. Take care.